Hello, my friends. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all a classic Cajun and Creole dish and my favorite foods of all time, jambalaya. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it's going to be loaded with shrimp and andouille sausage. And the best part, it is a one-pot meal. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and it's going to be full of Louisiana flavor. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my previous video, Brazilian lemonade. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your shrimp, slice up your sausage, and get your rice rinsed in sugar, because we're about to cook some jambalaya magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our shrimp stock. In my saucepan, I have my fire over high heat. I have a pound of shrimp shells filled with water, and all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, the water has came to a boil, so all we do now is cut the fire off, and we're going to let it sit for 20 minutes. Alright, my friends, it's been 20 minutes, so now we're going to strain it using my mesh strainer, reserving 4 cups. And it smells so good. Nice and shrimpy. Now we're going to set the shrimp stock aside while we work on our other ingredients. Let's get started with the rice. We need 2 cups of long grain white rice. And we're going to pour it into my mesh strainer. That's 1 cup. And that's 2 cups. Now we're going to rinse it. Very important to rinse the rice to get rid of all the starch. Now we're going to set the rice aside while we work on the Trinity. On my cutting board, I have the Holy Trinity, a must-have in Cajun and Creole cooking, 3 stalks of celery, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 green bell peppers, 1 large yellow onion, or you can use white onion, and 1 bunch of green onions. We're going to dice them up and mince the garlic. We're going to start with the garlic. Next is the green onions. Going to chop them. Remove the tops. And we need the white and the green parts. Now the celery. Going to remove the tops and the bottoms. And now the bell peppers. And last but not least, our onion. Alright, my friends, I am through dicing my veggies and I set them aside. Now we're going to slice up our sausage. I'm using 12 ounces of andouille sausage. Going to slice them into rounds. Alrighty, my friends, I am through slicing my sausage. Everything is complete. Now we are ready to start cooking. I'm about to heat up my pot. In my large pot, I have my fire over medium-high heat. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of canola oil, or you can use vegetable or olive oil. Going to twirl it around to coat the pot. And all we do is let it get hot. And as soon as it gets hot, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our pot is nice and hot. Now we're going to add in our andouille sausage. Give it a quick stir. And we're going to let the sausage cook for 5 minutes until it's brown. Alright, my friends, the sausage is nice and brown. So now we're going to add in our Holy Trinity. the onions, green onions, celery, and bell peppers. Now we're going to sprinkle in some kosher salt and a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes to help sweat the veggies and give it a stir. And we're going to let it cook until the vegetables are soft and translucent, about 7 minutes. My friends, it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Nothing like the smell of onion, celery, and bell pepper cooking. I wish it would smell a vision. All right, now we're going to add in our minced garlic and stir it in. And cook until the garlic is fragrant, about 3 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, it's been 3 minutes. It smells amazing with the addition of garlic. So now it's time to add in our last few ingredients. 2 14.5-ounce cans of original diced tomatoes along with the juice. Our yummy spices, 1 teaspoon each of cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and 2 bay leaves. Some kosher salt, a bundle of fresh thyme, our rinsed rice, and 4 cups of our homemade shrimp stock. Stir until well combined. And here's a tip, tie your fresh thyme bundle with kitchen twine. And make sure you taste your liquid to see if it needs more salt. So I'm going to give it a quick taste. Perfect. So now I'm going to cut the heat up to high, and all we do is bring it to a boil. All right, my friends, the liquid has came to a boil, so now we're going to cover the pot, and we're going to cut the fire down to simmer, and we're going to let it cook for 25 minutes. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, let's take a look at the jambalaya. Oh, yes, gorgeous. Look at those colors. And it smells heavenly. So now there's one more thing we got to add to it. Our shrimp. A pound of jumbo shrimp that I peeled, rinsed, and deveined. And stir that in. All right, so now we're going to cover the pot again. And we're going to let it cook for another 7 minutes until the shrimp turn pink. Be careful, you don't want to overcook shrimp because it'll be tough and rubbery. Ready for the grand finale? Here we go. OMG, that looks so pretty. So now our jambalaya is ready to serve. So I'm about to fix me up a bowl and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, got my bowl right here. There's one more thing I gotta add to it. A sprinkling of chopped green onions. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Creole shrimp and sausage jambalaya. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab me some rice, and I'm gonna start with a sausage. Look at that. Have a bite. The rice is perfectly cooked, and the sausage is nice and tender, has the right amount of heat, and the flavors are perfectly layered. Tastes like Louisiana. This shrimp and sausage jambalaya is spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite, and I'm gonna grab me a shrimp. Sweet, succulent, tender, perfectly cooked. Oh, and nothing like shrimp. One of my favorites. Yum-o. Shrimp and sausage jambalaya-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and much love.